Alright, good morning. We're headed to Bleckley County Elementary School where I teach art day every year. I used to run a photography studio, but I closed it down several years ago, but I still go do this event every year. So whatever follows this should be a compilation of working with 5th graders, teaching them photography, just kind of trying to have fun with them, showing them the fun side of stuff. Alright, y'all have a good day. Alright, so I've taught art day for roughly 10 years now. At least the first one I did was 10 years ago. These days it's only 5th grade that I teach, so it's roughly, I don't know, 150 kids. The first year I did it, it was the entire school. That was a lot of kids. That's like 500 kids. And for somebody who doesn't teach, that's a lot of kids in a day. So the purpose of me teaching art day, I'm not trying to teach them the fundamentals of photography, rule of thirds, aperture, shutter speed, inverse square law, like none of that mess. Like, it's all important, but they're not there to learn photography. They're there just to talk to artists. I go, people who paint go, there's 10 or 15 different artists from different walks of life teaching and showing what they do. So my goal when I go each year is not to show them the technical aspects of how to make a pretty picture. It's about the off-the-wall things that you can do with photography or with any medium, and it's just kind of, I use it almost as a springboard to like say, hey, I know we were raised in a tiny little town, but you can think outside the box and you can do crazy things, and you can do crazy things in normal environments. And that's what I like about photography, and just, it's an escape. It's something, it's a challenge. It's a way to challenge yourself. Like, you can go out and you take pretty pictures for the rest of your life, and that's fun. Or you can go out and you make some really weird pictures. It's like, whatever you want to do. Just don't limit yourself to thinking that, okay, well, I've got to take wedding pictures or baby pictures. So the product that I'm using is called a pixel stick. It's a 6-foot tall string of LEDs. There's a control box in the back that you load an image into, and by using a slow exposure on your camera, like 8 or 10 seconds in this case, you walk through the frame with this stick and it paints an image strip by strip, and then once the exposure is done, the graphic that you had will show up in your final image. So the kids had no clue what it was to begin with, and I purposely didn't tell them much about it either. The first thing I did was, there was a picture of a car, and I would paint it. Well, I'd show them, I'd trigger the lights first on the stick, and like, oh, that's cool, that's just like a really weird stick that you've got there. And then I'd go to the back of the classroom, and I'd actually trigger the camera and walk through the frame. And then all of a sudden this picture of a car shows up right behind them. It's a really good effect. I hope you have a great day. I hope you enjoy the video, and we'll go from here. Alright, thanks. They don't know this is 20. I had a 40-mile commute and I've used all 40 minutes making a 30-second clip. Not a vlogger.